Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now guys, today's topic is learning multiplication facts. This question number 2, page number 15. Okay, look at the spider diagram for the table 2. Copy the diagram and fill the missing boxes. Here you can see part A and B. So we are doing this part A now. You can see this is 2. Now you know this table 2 and a given values here 6, 14, 12, 18, 12, all this. Yes. So we will fill these uh, boxes. So here, okay, with table 2, okay, 2, if we multiply 2 table 2, we will use table 2 here. So 2 ones are 2 multiply 1 equal to. So we can say, see here, uh, nothing, 2 is not here. Now 2 multiply 2, 2 twos are 4. You can see this. So which means that if we multiply 2, okay, I'm going to write here multiply 2. Yes, multiply 2. If we multiply 2 with 2, so we can get this. Look, next 2 multiply 2 equals 4. 2 to the 4. Now 2 threes are 6. Where's, so we multiply 3. Here, simple. And now 2 fours are 8. This is 8. So 2. So here comes multiply 4. Right? 4 here. Really very easy. This was just table 2 if you know, so you can solve easily this. Four. Now this is 2 fives are 10. 10 is not here. 2 six are 12 here. So we write here multiplying with 6. Multiply with 6 here. And 2 sevens are 14. You can see this 14 here. And so on like this. 7. Now here we have 16 eights are, and this is 9s are and 10s are. So 2 eights are, multiply 9, and 2 multiply with 10. So this now really the 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, and 2 10s are 20. If you multiply 2 with 10, you will get 20. Yes, now you see we complete this all these boxes here with this uh, table to multiply 2 multiply 7, 2 multiply 3 also. Now this same like this, okay, 2 twos are here. If this 2 multiply with 2, so what will be the answer? Okay, you try to do for yourself, it's quite easy. Here, question number 3, you can see, look at the numbers in 2 circles. You can see these 2 circles here. Now find the pairs of the number in the first circle that multiply together to give an error, an answer from inside the second circle. Find as many pairs of the possible record both multiplication for each pair. For example, 4 multiply 20 and 20 multiply 4. So here you can see, okay, which two numbers, which number we multiply so that we can get the answer from here. Okay, 12. Okay, now you can see 3 multiply 12. Yeah. So here we were right. We will find pair of 3 and 4. So here 3 multiply 4, that's equals to 12. Yes, so one pair 3 and 4. Let me 3 and 4. Next, okay, if we multiply here this pair, this is 15. 3 5s are 3 5s are equals 15. And next 6 4s are, or you can see 4 6 are 24. Yes, and we can make 4 5 are, it's equals to 20. Okay, so pairs of number, these are pairs of also. Okay, now we can also do like this: 4 multiply 3, because 3 multiplied by 4 equals to 12, and 3 multiply 4 equals to 12, and 4 multiply 3 equals to 12. Same like this: 5 multiply 3 equals to sorry, 15. Yes, and here 6 multiply 4 is equal to 24 also, and here 5 multiply 4 is equal to 20. So these pairs, you can see these pairs: 3 4 3 5 4 6 4 5, and here 3 same 4 3 5 3 3. So these are the pairs. Okay, you can see, and this is like this. Hope simple you understand the question, and now try to do this by yourself. Okay, guys, inshallah, see you in the next lecture. Assalamu alaikum.